What do I do for coaster credit? The seats don't seem too bad.
You got a place to hide your feet up and away.
Oh, good. So keep them dry, hopefully.
Yeah, I got them high in the boat now. High and deep. You got yours in the same place?
Yeah, like up a little bit. Uh-oh.
Good.
See a can exploding up ahead. All right, pull pants back. Minimize contact.
It's okay, the timing is off. Perfectly okay, the timing was off.
All right, good. Oh, got an animatronic.
We're a little heavy on this side.
Oh, wonderful. We're gonna duck. Oh, I'm doomed on my side. We're gonna sink.
You're gonna get wet.
We're gonna get wet. I hope it just. I hope it doesn't pour in. That'll be just bad.
We're about to find out.
What I do for a front seat POV.
What you do for your viewers. And we're free.
All right.
Coaster time.
Coaster credit.
Big drop. Ready? Bad news.
Pegasus. Oh,
Time to get wet.
time to get wet. Not too bad.
That one wasn't bad.
All right.
Oh, nice. And we didn't plane down and up. Good.
All right.
We didn't swing the boat. We have enough weight in the back. We didn't swing it.
Hopefully the next
I
one.
think that's what happened with me. Is I was riding and I think I was like,
By yourself or something?
I had some people in row 2 and nobody in the back.
Ah.
So swing the boat.
So dunked right in like that.
Oh man. But yeah, see this? They didn't have that.
Okay.
It came right in just like this
Oh,
and
okay.
right down on me.
Oh, so when it pours over the front, it drains
This
off the
nose
side
is
now.
different. SeaWorld's nose, it comes up a little bit more in the front. It doesn't have that. And like the big plow that we have in the front, we didn't have that either.
Okay.
So the boat more cuts it.
I must go back and review my SeaWorld footage. So it looks like it's more splash on the outside than the inside. Yeah.
The only negative is the side squirters might get us a little bit.
Oh, that's right. We got side squirters. So it's like doubly do right then.
Yeah, it's a quick drop through the side squirters,
All right, so our sides are going to get pelted.
but it doesn't look like they shoot as far. But your side's lower than mine too. My side might be high enough to block more.
All right, Kevin, lean left.
Kevin, stay right there. Why are you saying that?
The big drop's coming.
Because you're helping protect me and keep me dry.
Oh. You want him to lean right.
Yeah, well, if he sits where he's at, the boat's going to lean a little bit to the right. My side will be higher, protect me from the sprayers. Actually, it ain't going to lean at all on the sprayers because it's going to be on the track still.
Yeah, that's true.
And we'll move.
Oh boy, here we go.
That was the other boat getting dropped on behind us. Here comes the slow roll. Da-da-da. We clear the lift. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Lift it up a little bit for. All right, double down.
Nope.
Not too bad.
Spray.
Light spray.
Spray.
Couple drops on the pants, we're good.
Mostly dry.
Even the camera stayed dry. I'm shocked. Oh, dude. Stupid dolphin.
It didn't shoot far enough.
Like put a euro on the dolphin.
And it didn't work.
Yeah. The water cannon did not hit us, yeah.
It did not spray out too far.
Oh, that wasn't bad at all.
And now we're going to get bumps. We're waiting for the boats to move. We're going to run into them. That was fun. Oh, we're going to get bumped. We're going to be high enough, I think. They're going to get bumped.
Speaker in the box.
What's that?
Speaker in the box.
Speaker in the box.
Yeah, almost reminds me of San Diego's version, but kind of like a combination between Florida and San Diego.
What's that?
It's like if you took Florida's track and San Diego's track and combined them together, you kind of got this one.
It's fun.
Yeah.
The water section's well themed.
And it doesn't drench you. All right, that's good. Or as they say, an acceptable amount of wetness.
That was an acceptable amount of wetness.
Oh, so you got shot on the side? No?
What's that? Oh yeah, the cars.
People getting ready to go. Right?
Oh, you good?
Yeah, they're getting something.
Oh, yeah.
I don't take it that far.
Hit by the water cannon?
No, the dolphin, the water cannon shot way too early.
The dolphin was defective.
Yeah, we got hit by a water.
Yeah, dolphin was going to shoot the dolphin out of the way.
The dolphin was defective when it attempted to shoot us, but it did not. We heard a puff, but nothing came out.